picked out my handle materials. I've happened to choose some Bacote here, and I've rough shaped my fronts. Now I'm going to drill my holes. I'm going to drill these two. Okay, by having this block of wood underneath my handle materials, it helps keep my handle material from splintering. And you also want to have a good sharp bit for doing this. Now I'm going to match the two handles together without the blade in between. Make sure they're matched up. And drill your holes straight through. Okay, now that the holes are drilled, we're going to clean up our fronts.